Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be filming some Schindler elevators. First, let's take the down riding elevator that goes down to the car park levels.
Elevator is going down. Door closing.
Let's go to basement 4.
Basement 4. Door opening. Door closing. Elevator is going up.
Let's go way up to 1.
Closing. Floor 1. Door opening. Door closing.
Now let's film the up riding elevator. It goes up to level 5.
Elevator is going up. Door closing.
Let's go to 5.
Floor 5. Door opening. Door closing. Elevator is going down.
Let's go down to 1.
Closing. Floor 1. Door opening. Door closing.
And that is the end of the video. Have a pleasant day, evening or night. Bye everyone.